Hiring a freelance designer to build your startup's brand can quickly drain your budget even before you launch. Today, we're going to be putting Design.com's custom designed AI platform to the ultimate test. We're going to be finding out if an automated system can genuinely craft a premium, commercially safe logo from scratch and instantly deploy a synchronized suite of 50 different marketing tools the second your purchase is complete. All right, we are on the Design.com website and we're going to be showing you today how effective Design.com is. We've got different areas such as whether you're doing a logo, business card, social media, whether it's posts, coverage, even maybe if you want to do a website builder, it's got it. You can do things like email signatures, t-shirts, postcards, and of course, all of your necessary AI needs are all here in the one place for whatever design you are looking to make for your brand identity. Again, your website, Facebook, IG, all the socials, videos, everything is here. As we can see, there are some really nice ones, could be business cards for apps, everything. And I have to say, the sleek design of this website has me feeling pretty good and pretty happy about being able to use Design.com. So again, we can actually go down here and choose the kind of design that we want to build. We can choose the business name. We can input the keywords. So we give it a effective and suitable prompt. I want a logo for a specialty coffee shop, business names, Golden Horizon Coffee. Keep it simple and elegant. So that is going to be our detailed prompt. We've got everything set in place there. Let's go ahead and hit generate on that, and bang, within virtually just a few seconds, we've got some fantastic looking brand names here. Which ones do you guys personally like? I kind of like the Golden Horizon Coffee one with the coffee cup and coffee kind of splashing out the side. I think that's pretty cool, but these look like some legit options that we can potentially go for here. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section of the video which one that you actually like the look of and whether you would potentially consider using one of these for your brand, whether it be for coffee or maybe a new cafe or anything for that matter. And I love the fact that they give you a lot of different pages worth of designs, because usually in the past with these, you don't actually get a whole heap of options. But here for Golden Coffee, I like the one where the guy's just like walking. He's like walking to grab a coffee and he is a coffee. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. I mean, look at all these designs, like beautiful artwork and well thought out as well. It's amazing how the AI here at Design.com is able to actually go ahead and do this. You get up to 300 pages worth. That's insane. 14,400 logo designs. So it doesn't just give you like 3 or 4, it gives you 14,000. And that to me is just unbelievable value. So you can really basically make sure that you're choosing the logo that you're going to be really happy with for your business. Now, say for example, we've chosen this one right here. This is one I actually liked, had like the bean in there. So you can actually go and make changes to the background, the layout, the text, the shape. You can even animate it as well and add in additional prompts. So just to get that further refinement, change the coffee bean icon to a coffee cup with a steam effect above the cup. So let's have a look. Now, not that I don't like the coffee bean, but I just want to show you guys how that's going to look. Really cool. Okay, nice, nice. So let's pop that out there. You can go ahead, you can save it, you can download it as well when you're happy. What do you guys think? Like, this is the comparison side by side. As you can see, it's exactly the same. Question, has it listened to the prompt that we've put forward? Answer, yes, it absolutely has. It's swapped out the bean and it added in that coffee cup. So let's go ahead and prepare these files now. And as you can see, bang, you can get your standard license there. All right, so you've got create new designs for, again, whether it's the website, Facebook cover, a post, letterhead, whatever it might be. Everything is here. You can have it like on a business card as well. Really cool. Okay, you've got bits and pieces to actually help grow your business, such as getting the domain name, the accounting software from your LLC. Everything is basically here. You've got your industry that you can select. So of course we would be selecting cafe for our industry to go ahead with that. But everything's here, folks, so they don't let you guess anything, okay? You've got the whole lot to actually contend with and got more different logo options and how they actually look down the bottom as well. And we can go ahead and actually create a new design there if we like to. As we can see, again, the different templates for whether it's a logo, website, business card, whatever it might be. And it gives you an example, AI template for a business card, IG post, a presentation, the website, Instagram post, gives you all the different options here. And it can be AI generated very easily based off the logo that we actually chose already. All the different variations of business cards here. I mean, that's pretty cool in my opinion. For your website as well, so extremely thorough. They virtually got your entire business's marketing just covered here. So you don't need to necessarily hire someone to do marketing or graphic design to get you to go ahead and actually make some designs here. Everything is here for you, as we can see. Even t-shirts, I think that's awesome. So we can actually select a design type as well. Let's go ahead and have a look. Okay, so say for example, we want to take this one for the t-shirt or the t-shirt design. But first, coffee, you can go in, analyze the text, analyze the logo even further if you want, move the positioning of it slightly. It's got the different characters, you can change the text, the colors. It's extremely thorough, very thorough. Look at that. You can easily change like the color there of the actual coffee in the cup. I mean, what other service is going to be doing a better job than design.com at this? Extremely impressive. You change all that up, move that to there, move this to here, even down to their individual bean. I mean, that is ridiculously impressive. Got different shapes, different images that you can also add in if you like as well. You can upload stuff, more options for the t-shirts, the presentations, even if you want to knock up a resume there. That's pretty cool. Digital business cards, also another cool little option as well. Fantastic. You got flyers, Facebook profile pictures, the whole lot is here. I mean, AI has just made life a lot easier for small business owners. Let's just be real. Instagram profile pictures, you got YouTube banners, menus even. Wow, that's impressive. Look at all these different menus. I mean, these look like proper coffee shop menus to me. Really, really cool stuff. So many different options, invoices, everything, gift certificates, whether you're doing QR codes, even QR codes. I mean, that's really cool. LinkedIn posts, really good. So let's have a look at the business cards here. So again, designing your own business card. You can change the name in there, pop your name in there, the position, phone number, the actual email that you're using, the different logos and stuff. Really cool stuff. You can change up the actual logo itself as well. Change the opacity, the layer, flip around, duplicate it. It's all good stuff here. Really good stuff. Nice, got the different styles. If you're doing a QR code, very good. You can design anything with design.com. It's got the power to do anything. It really does. Stop dealing with fragmented template tools that give your company an inconsistent look. Click the link now down in the description to try design.com's custom trained AI, lock in your premium logo, and launch your automated brand ecosystem today. If you enjoyed today's video, please do take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe, comment below whether you have tried this project yet, and we'll see you in the next video.